my new toy that I got today, and it's the We Are Memory Keepers tag punch board. I saw Daisy, who's Tsunami Rose, use hers in her live videos the other day. I didn't watch them live, but I watched them afterwards, and I thought, what a great little tool to get. So I got this from Amazon, and it was like £11. Because I make all my own tags. I don't buy them pre-cuts and stuff like that, so I cut them from cardstock and coffee dye them and do whatever I want with them. So had a little play. So I've done these, and I'm going to show you how to make the reinforcers, because the hole on this is quite tiny, whereas the holes on like my crocodile are quite big and much bigger than the hole in this. So I would normally make my own reinforcements as well, but because I thought, alright, how am I going to do this? So quick thinking, Yvonne came up with the most easiest solution ever. So I'm going to show you how to cut a tag. So you can cut your tag any size you like. Let me make sure I'm in frame. And you get your little cutter, which goes in there, and it slides up and down, and then you house it back in there. This is your hole punch, so I'm going to take that out there a minute. So you just kind of line up to where you would like to cut your tag, your tag shape, sorry. So these little lines all are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and these around here are your measurements, and that is 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1 and half an inch. Excuse me. I've just done a video, a tutorial video, and it was obviously a lot of talking, which will be uploaded real soon. So I'm taking that to the A, B, C, D, E. I think that was E. I haven't got my glasses on, so you just cut that there, so you get that. Then you just turn it over and mark it back up to E again. Put it down and cut. Whoops. Yeah, that does come out, so I didn't break it. So I've now got my tag shape. Ta-da! Then you'd measure it up here. So I'm kind of measuring this up to that's 2.5. So it's roughly about 2 3/4. You just kind of line it up so that there's the same amount of space between the end of your tag and the 3, both sides, and then you punch. So where's my bit of scrap? This is just a little bit of coffee dyed paper. I'll just put that in there, punch the hole, use my little circle punch, which I'll tell you what that measures in a minute, because I actually don't know. It's a small one anyway. And then you centre that, and then you would just bit of glue and pop it onto your tag. Now I would normally have all my tags coffee dyed, but because I'm just playing around with this, just wanted to show you. And then obviously you can put one on the back as well. So I've made a few of them. That's the tag. I know a lot of people that make their own tags, and it's like, you know, cutting that shape. Sometimes you can never get both sides to look the same. So now you can, and it's so easy to use. So that was my little share with you today. If you're interested in this, just check it up on Amazon or eBay. I think Amazon was the cheapest. I'm in the UK, and I've got Prime, so I didn't pay any postage, and it was £11, and I ordered it like not yesterday, it was the night before, and it arrived this morning. So I was a happy little bunny today. So I will speak to you all soon. Bye.